Should pop-up drink stands buy or lease a trailer? Pop-up drink stands should generally lease a trailer instead of buying one to keep costs low and maintain flexibility. Leasing a trailer for a pop-up drink stand is often the best choice because it requires less upfront money and allows for easy upgrades or changes. When you lease, you pay a monthly fee that covers the use of the trailer, which helps keep your initial expenses down. This is important because many small business owners or new entrepreneurs may not have a lot of cash to spend at the start. Leasing also means you can try different trailer styles to find what works best for your business without being stuck with one that doesn't fit your needs later. Another useful point is that leasing companies often take care of maintenance and repairs, so you don't have to worry about unexpected cost. Some people might not know that leasing can sometimes include insurance as part of the deal, which saves even more money. However, if your business grows steadily and you want to build equity or customize your trailer fully, buying might make sense later on. One common mistake is thinking that buying a trailer is always cheaper in the long run, but many forget about the maintenance and repair costs that come with ownership. To avoid this, calculate all hidden costs before deciding. Another misconception is that leasing means you won't own anything, but leases often have options to buy later, giving flexibility. People also underestimate the importance of trailer size and layout. Choosing too big or too small can hurt business efficiency, so measure your needs carefully. It's smart to read lease agreements thoroughly because some have strict rules about modifications or usage that could limit your operations. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.